Hello everyone. Today Ashish John. I am back with a new topic, subject and predicate. So before we start with subject and predicate, let me first introduce what is sentence. So let's begin. A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. First point in a sentence is a sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense, meaning that gives meaning to a sentence. That is, a sentence is a group of words. They are group of words that gives meaning to a sentence which makes complete sense. Second, all sentence begins with a capital letter. All sentence begin with a capital letter. Means when we write a sentence, we always begin with a sentence with a capital letter. Third, they can end with a full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark. When we end a sentence, we end a sentence with a question mark or either exclamation mark or a full stop. So these are the 3 points of a sentence. This is the definition of a sentence. I repeat, a sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. Second, all sentence begin with a capital letter. Third, sentence ends with full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark. Okay, now let's move further to subject and predicate. Subject and predicate are the two parts of a sentence. So now let's understand what is subject. Subject is what or whom sentence is about. Subject is what or whom the sentence is about. Means what or whom we are talking about in a sentence. हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? That is subject. To what or whom we are talking about. That is subject. On the other hand, predicate is what the subject does. Okay, so like in subject, we were talking about what or whom हम जिसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, that is subject, and what the subject is doing, what action they are performing, that is predicate. Like a boy is playing, a boy is sleeping, a boy is studying. So a boy is a subject बिकॉज बॉय कौन है जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, जिसके बारे में हम बता रहे हैं. एंड वॉट द बॉय इज डूइंग, वॉट एक्शन ही इज परफॉर्मिंग, he is playing, he is studying, he is sleeping. So that is predicate. What the subject is doing, that is predicate. Okay, so now I have mentioned here some few simpler points with which you can easily figure out what is subject and predicate. How to find the subject and predicate. First we'll study how to find the subject. So the very first point to find the subject in a sentence is ask whom or what the sentence is about. हमें सबसे पहले क्या देखना है कि हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं सेंटेंस में. ask whom or what the sentence is about. किसके बारे में सेंटेंस में बात किया जा रहा है, that is subject. And on the other hand, predicate tells us about ask what is the subject doing. Like subject में हमने किसके बारे में बात किया, जिसके बारे में सब about the what whom the sentence is about. किसके बारे में सेंटेंस है, that was subject. And on the other, predicate में हम क्या कर रहे हैं, subject क्या कर रहा है, what actions they are performing, that is predicate. What the subject is doing, that is predicate. Now second point, find the main person or thing in the sentence. अब हम how can we find the subject? The easiest way to find the subject in a sentence is quickly find the main person. सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना है, जल्दी से हमें find the main person or a thing in the sentence. Sentence में हमें person को find out करना है या किसी भी thing को, and person and thing are the subjects in the sentence. Now on the other hand, in the predicate, look for word that shows action. Predicate में हमें क्या करना है, what that particular person is doing in the sentence, that is subject. What the particular person is performing action, वो क्या कर रहा है, what the particular subject is doing in the sentence, that is predicate. Looks for a word that shows action like playing, sleeping, running. Okay, that is predicate. Now third point, the subject is usually a noun. Subject कौन होता है? It's usually a noun or a pronoun. And what are nouns? Noun is the name of a person, place or thing. Noun is a name of a person, place or a thing. So you have to quickly find the noun in the sentence, and noun is a subject. Noun and pronoun is a subject. And how can you find a noun? It's easy. A person, place or a thing is a noun, and pronoun is words like he, she or they. The words which we use in the place of noun, that is pronoun, like he, she, it, they are pronouns. So third easiest way is to find the noun in the sentence. And noun is a name of a person, place, thing or animals, and pronoun is the words which we use in place of noun, like he, she, it, they. Okay. Now on the other hand, predicate look for a common verb. The predicate हमेशा कोई common verb होता है, like we can use ing or ed, and if you add ing to a word, अगर हम किसी भी word में if we use ing, it is probably a verb. किसी भी word में अगर हम ing use कर देंगे, like playing ing, okay, and sleeping ing, so they are verb in a sentence. The last point, the subject is usually at the beginning of a sentence and before the verb. So there are two parts in this sentence. The subject is usually at the beginning of a sentence. Subject हमेशा we can find the subject usually at the beginning of a sentence. Sentence के starting में ही subject होता है. And second is before the verb. First is you can find the sentence usually at the beginning of a sentence. Sentence में सबसे पहले आपका सब्जेक्ट होता है, एंड सेकंड थिंग इज बिफोर द वर्ब. और किसी भी वर्ब से व्हाट आर वर्ब्स? डूइंग वर्ड्स. किसी भी वर्ब से पहले आपको सब्जेक्ट मिलेगा. ऑन द अदर हैंड, प्रेडिकेट इज द वर्ब यूजुअली कम्स आफ्टर द सब्जेक्ट. इसमें प्रेडिकेट में वर्ब सब्जेक्ट के बाद में आता है. आफ्टर द सब्जेक्ट यू कैन फाइंड द प्रेडिकेट. आई थिंक ऑल दीज 5 points are clear to you. Now let's take an example to the sun was shining brightly. In this sentence, in this example, the sun, okay, sun is a noun. The sun, and if it is a noun, it's a subject. The sun is a subject, and what the sun is doing, what action sun is performing? Sun was shining brightly. So was shining brightly is a predicate. Here the sun is a noun, okay, so sun is a noun and it is a subject, and was shining brightly is a predicate. Second example, the dog is an animal, and if it is an animal, it is a noun, and noun is a subject. So the dogs is a subject in this sentence, and what dog is doing, what action dog is performing? The dog were barking loudly. So verb barking loudly is a predicate. Dog है तो noun है, and noun है तो that is a subject. And dog क्या कर रहा है? What action dog is performing? They were barking loudly. So verb barking loudly is a predicate. Last example, the pretty girl was wearing a blue frock. The pretty girl was wearing a blue frock. Here pretty girl is a person, and if it is a person, if she's a like girl is a person, then it's a noun, and if it is a noun, it's a subject. So the pretty girl is a subject in this sentence and was wearing a blue frock. So, and what the girl is doing, what action she is performing, was wearing a blue frock. Hence was wearing a blue frock is a predicate. I think it is clear to you. Now let's just revise what we have studied in this class. So the very first topic I have covered is sentence. A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. Second, all sentences begin with a capital letter. And third, they ends with a full stop, question mark and an exclamation mark. Okay, now let's move further to subject and predicate. Subject and predicate are the two parts of a sentence, and subject tells us about what or whom we are talking in the sentence. हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? That is subject. एंड प्रेडिकेट व्हाट द सब्जेक्ट इज डूइंग, और वो सब्जेक्ट जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, लाइक वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ बॉय, एंड द प्रेडिकेट विल बी व्हाट दैट बॉय is doing, what the action that boy is performing, that will be predicate in a sentence. And how you can find the subject and predicate in a sentence? The first, ask whom or what the sentence is about. Again, हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, about whom और what the sentence है, किसके बारे में, जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, that is subject, and what that particular person or thing is doing in the sentence, what action they are performing, like subject is doing, क्या कर रहे हैं वो sentence में, that is predicate. Find the main person or thing in the sentence. आपको क्या करना है, you have to quickly find the main person or a thing in the sentence. And on the other hand, predicate में आपको look for a word that shows action. वो word आपको you have to find out that is showing some action, जो like playing, running. Okay. Third, the subject is usually a noun. Subject हमेशा क्या होता है, it's usually a noun, like person, place, thing or animal, or a pronoun like he, she, it, they, the words which we use in place of nouns. Okay. And on the other hand, in the predicate, look for a common verb ending like ing. कोई भी word जो ing और ed से end हो रहा है, that is verb. Okay. And if you can add ing to a word, it is probably a verb. किसी भी word में अगर आप ing add कर दोगे, that will be a verb in the sentence. Last point, the subject is usually at the beginning of the sentence. Subject हमेशा sentence के starting में आपको मिलेगा. You'll find the subject at the beginning of the sentence. And second thing, you can find the subject before the verb. कोई भी doing word से पहले आपको subject मिलेगा. And on the other hand, the predicate, the verb usually comes after the subject. प्रेडिकेट में वर्ब जो होता है आपका सब्जेक्ट के बाद मिलता है आपको, एंड दैट विल बी द प्रेडिकेट इन द सेंटेंस. सो आई थिंक दिस इज क्लियर टू यू, एंड with this we conclude our class. Stay quarantined, stay safe. Thank you and have a great day.